Guys, welcome back. Look at what I have found. I have found another Moji Pops £5, or I paid $5, of these little characters. Do you remember these from the last video? You can change the face and they came with their cute little photo stand. This time I have the Party series. And again, these are from the UK, originally sold in the UK, hence the £5. And I found them here at my dollar store, my local dollar store, for $5. And it was in the party section. So I went back and I found another one. And these guys are all different because they are the Party series. So let's just get right into it because we know how great these are. I have my scissors on the ready. Let's go. These things are just so cute. Oh, it's broken. Is it? Or is that... Oh, is mine broken? Or did it just pop off? Okay, well, we can figure that out. Let's look at, scooch, our book first. This one is different. This one is an activity guide. This one has 50 stickers to play with. Look! And 100 games. Again, the quality is so much better than what we have here. Look at the pages. Like, it's unbelievable. Look at the fruits. Tutti Frutti games, party invitations, picnics. These are just the cutest things. And here we have all of our little cuties. Oh my goodness. Gardeners, garden club. There's a Spot the Difference. Foodies. Look, this one tells you how to make food. It's a little recipe. Games, what, when, and where. Look at, oh my goodness, when they said stickers. Is there more of them? I wonder if there's more of them. Look at all the stickers. The sticker game. Use the stickers on this page when you see the icon. So there's the different faces. Cuties, gardeners, foodies, fruities, crafties, and homies. Okay, homies for the house. Okay, and crafties is like glue and making things. Okay. And then more sticker games. Use these stickers on this page when you see the icon. Sticker game 3 and 4. And then here's your extra stickers to decorate your book. These are fantastic. Oh, I'm so excited. Can you tell? These things are great. But just remember, because the faces are teeny tiny and it doesn't have an age on these, don't give them to little ones. Here's the drawing page, emotions game. Like, it's fantastic. Look at Crafty's Club. This is a puzzle. This one is, I think, better than the first one. A little maze. Surf practice. Oh my goodness. Have you found these yet? And then here's where you can just buy the little surprise bags. Or you can buy the kit instead of buying the way I found it, which is like a birthday surprise bag. I love them. These are so great. But again, it doesn't have an age. I guess they don't do that in the UK. But you can follow them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, just like last time. Or you can visit their website. But again, I paid $5, which I think is a really great deal because the Canadian dollar to the British pound, £5 is a lot more than $5 Canadian. And if you can find these in the US, $5 is a lot better than $5 Canadian. These are so cute. Let's just get right into it. I love these darts. Let's go. These ones are different. Oh my goodness. Okay. The last set had 3 surprise bags and one that you could see. This one has, look, it's a keychain. Oh my goodness. I like these because even when you buy 2 different bags like this, you're getting different things. These are so much, like, they're so different than Shopkins. Look at that. I can't wait to put that onto my keys. It's a little drink. There's the little straw. And it's foam. Look at that. Can you imagine that on your backpack? How cute. And then we have their little This one says Moji Pops on it, and I think my little sign is broken. It looks like it clipped on right there to here, but the clip part's broken. I may have to get some glue and see if I can just, yeah, it's not going to clip. Oh, but that would have looked so cute right there, like that, to do their little photos. Oh, I'm dropping things like crazy today. Okay, it also has, this is different. It has this little, do you see this little nub in there? The other little photo booth that came with the other ones, which is this one, it doesn't have a little nub for them to stand on. So I wonder if these ones are different, because here's my old ones. Let me just grab them. And they don't have nubs on the bottom. Oh, I kept these. There's no nubs. So how would they, I guess they could just sit around the side? I don't know. Do these ones have, see, these ones have nubs. So these first ones are series 1. This activity one must be from a different series, because you know how Shopkins have evolved since the original ones? Maybe these are evolving too. So let's just go right ahead and we'll open up. This is our, it always comes with a special one. Oh, she's a rose. Okay, let's get her open. Let's go. Chop, chop, chop. Get those scissors open. Cut, 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 cut. Oh, come on. Oh, this one's stuck. There's our rose. And she does have the hole to sit on there. Let's see what her other face is. They look kind of scary without a face. Oh, the other face is she's scared. Oh, look at that. Do you know what I just thought of? Other than doing little photo shoots, maybe using them for your American Girl dolls as toys, you could actually use these to make little scenes or make your own little movies, because their faces change. So you could actually like take pictures and make your own book. You could do a stillmation or claymation where you're making your own little movie. How cute would that be? Because their faces can change. Oh, maybe we should try that. I'll have to look into how you do that, but that would be kind of cute. And then in this kit, because we got the keychain, we only have 2 surprise bags. Let's just rip it open and see what we get. Oh, this is cute. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know. I'd have to check the collector guide, but it is cute. Maybe, oh, is it scissors? Because here's the handle and then here's the snip, maybe? Or maybe it's a, I don't know. I'm going to go with it looks like scissors, maybe from the craft section or the craft part. Let's get this out. Oh, these ones look like they have a happy and a sad, or a scared and a happy, because there's the sad and there's the happy. So if this is from the crafty one, there's the face when you decide to start a project, and there's the face you make when it's not working the way you want. And oh, I know what that looks like. So let's put the sad in. Oh, look at how it sits. You can still see the little teardrop. I absolutely love these things. All right, let's do the last one. You know what? I've never actually looked at the back of this. So it says Magic Box International, and they are from Spain. They are made in China, but the company is in Spain. And it does say 2019, so these are a bit older. But they are just so cute. I guess they never made it really big in North America if they came. Or maybe I'm wrong. Remember to let me know in the comments. Let's go. Last one. And it is... Oh! Okay, you have to see this. Are you ready? It's a teapot! Look, she's holding the cup. And the tea is pouring out. The spout, the tea, or I mean, I guess it could be coffee. How cute. Oh, look at the little mischievous face. Okay, let's get this little face out. Come on. I love how squishy. Oh, look at the other face. And then we'll switch it. Oh, I like this one. Okay. I have to put that one back. This is so cute. Okay, now how do we get... Oh, let's get her face in there. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, her face is a little tough. I feel like I'm poking her in the face. I need to figure out how to use... Oh my gosh, I can't get her face in. She's a tough one. Or he. There. Okay. How do we get them? And why does this one have... Why does this one have the little bump to hold it in? There. I mean, it looks cute and it says sweet. I'm going to glue that in. But, I mean, I guess you can do it like that and pick it up and move it. So now I need to figure out, dropping things. With this one and this one, what can we use the stands for? I mean, obviously we can use the stands to display all of our little characters, but there's got to be something else we can use these for. And let me know, have you tried using these in anything other than a display or with your American Girl dolls? I'm curious, because I know I said last time this one would be good for a Barbie, for a nursery, but what have you used them with? And this, it's definitely going on my house keys. All right, that's it for this week, guys. I will see you next week.